Hello and welcome to the late night edition with me, Ayushman Singh Jamwal. Ladies and gentlemen, breaking news coming in at the top of the bulletin. We're in the wake of the vandalism at RG Kar Hospital on the night of August 14th. Two assistant commissioners of police and one inspector have been suspended. They were on duty at the hospital that night. A departmental inquiry has also been initiated. So action being taken within the Bengal police in the wake of the vandalism which erupted at RG Kar Medical Hospital and College on the night of August 14, the same hospital where the junior doctor was brutalized and murdered. And now what we are learning is that two assistant commissioners of police and one inspector have been suspended. They were on duty at the hospital that night. A departmental inquiry has been initiated into their conduct on the night of August 14. Those visuals on your screen, ladies and gentlemen, are the visuals of when the mob descended upon RG Kar Hospital in the wake of the gruesome crime that has shaken the conscience of the entire nation, where a junior doctor was brutalized and murdered. And now what we are learning is that some action is being taken within the Bengal police, where two assistant commissioners of police and one inspector have been suspended. They were on duty at the hospital that night. And now what we are learning is that a departmental inquiry has been initiated against them. I'm joined by my colleague Arunima, who's been tracking all the developments in Kolkata in the wake of this horrific crime that has sent shockwaves across the nation. So, Arunima, one of the big questions that was emerging against the Bengal government is that when is accountability going to be fixed given the events of the night of August 14th? And now clearly some action being taken internally in the Bengal police.
But too late, isn't it? It's almost a week since that vandalism happened. And after that, the police commissioner himself addressed a press conference accepting that there have been mistakes committed by the Kolkata police, accepting that there was a problem with the assessment of the situation by Kolkata police. 5 days after that, this action being taken, of course, it will be called belated action. Nevertheless, West Bengal government has decided to suspend 3 people, 2 assistant commissioner rank officer and 1 inspector. They've been accused of not taking proper measures for the RG Kar Medical College protest that had been called by doctors. A departmental inquiry would also start against them. But are they just being made scapegoats would be the question from the opposition. Already TMC's own Rajya Sabha MP, in a deleted post now, had called for accountability of the police commissioner himself.
Absolutely, and he himself was summoned by the Kolkata police in connection with the case. Thank you, Arunima, for joining us on the broadcast with that piece of breaking news. So, as my colleague is pointing out, it's been almost a week since this vandalism case, and at the end of the day, while action is being taken internally, is it too little too late? But clearly a move coming in from the TMC government to reduce the heat that it is facing in the wake of this gruesome crime where a junior doctor was brutalized and murdered inside the hospital. Let's listen into more reactions coming in from the ground as the war of words continues to escalate.
सीबीआई को 7 दिन हो चुके हैं इस चीज को प्रूव करते हुए, आज छठा दिन है। आपको अभी तक कोई हिंट मिला है कि उनका प्रूव किस डायरेक्शन में? नहीं मिला।
ওনারা বলেছেন এটা লম্বা প্রসেস, আমাদের সময় দিন।
उनको आशा दिए এটাই আমরা বলতে পারি।
ओके, आप लोगों को शक था शुरू से कि कोई इनसाइडर जॉब है
अभी भी है, जितना टाइम है।
तो आपने जब सीबीआई के लोगों ने आपसे पूछताछ की कि इनसाइडर जॉब, आपने उनको कुछ बताया इनसाइडर जॉब?
ये तो नहीं, बाहर में नहीं बोलेंगे।
बट आपने कुछ तो उनको बताया?
यही है बोला, जो लड़की में हमको इन्फॉर्म किया है सब बात
ওনারা বলেছেন ওনাদের উপর ভরসা রাখতে আমাদের।
সিবিআই লোকজন বলেছেন এবং আমরা ওদের উপর ভরসা রাখছি, কোর্টের উপর ভরসা রাখছি,
সুপ্রিম কোর্টের উপর ভরসা রাখছি, আমরা সবার উপর
রাজ্যের উপর সবার উপরে ভরসা রাখছি এবং আপনাদের উপরেও। उपरंतु आपका ऊपर भी हम लोगों का भरोसा है।
एक और चीज सर, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने थर्सडे को मतलब डे आफ्टर टुमारो बोला है सीबीआई को भी और वेस्ट बंगाल पुलिस को भी कि आप जो है अपना स्टेटस रिपोर्ट दीजिए। तो आपको उम्मीद है कि इस स्टेटस रिपोर्ट में आपको उम्मीद है कि जो आपका एप्रीहेंशन था कि 1 से ज्यादा लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं, क्या आपको लगता है?
ये सीबीआई कोशिश कर रहा है।
आपको उम्मीद है कि
उम्मीद है सच्चाई आएगा, जस्टिस मिलेगा।
और संदीप घोष से भी आज लगातार 5 दिन से पूछताछ हो रही है, सीबीआई ने कोई हिंट दिया कि क्या पता?
नहीं, हम लोग पूछेगा नहीं इसके बारे में।
डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एविडेंस को लेके मैम?
नहीं, हम कुछ नहीं, यही सब के बारे में सब देख रहा है, हम कुछ नहीं। अब इंडिया में जो संविधान है उसमें एविडेंस मिटाना भी एक गलती है, इसका एक सजा का सजा होता है इसके लिए।
आखिरी सवाल है मेरा, आपने ये कहा था कि जिस दिन आपको पता चला इस हादसे के बारे में, प्रिंसिपल का बर्ताव आपकी तरफ बहुत ही रूड था। वो
है उसने हमारे से बात भी नहीं किया सारे दिन। हम उस उधर 12 बजे से शाम 7 साढ़े 7 बजे तक था, उस टाइम में हमसे कोई बात नहीं।
आप
4 घंटा
आप भी मैम रिक्वेस्ट करती रही कि मतलब बेटी को जाने दो, मैंने खोया है, बट प्रिंसिपल की तरफ से कुछ वो नहीं आया।
ये रॉन्ग नहीं बोलते
किस नहीं।
तो आपको भी शक है कि प्रिंसिपल कुछ छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, इसीलिए इस तरह का बर्ताव?
একদম
कोई अंदाजा क्या छुपा रहे थे?
আমরা বলে দিয়েছি সব, প্রিন্সিপাল মানে অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট সুপার, আমার মেয়ের ভিপি, আমরা সবার নামে বলে দিই।
This is the last barricade. Police will not allow them in any cause. That's what the and you can see the police has started resorting lathi charge. Police has now come on, and police will now, they're trying to you can see that behind me the police is absolutely rushing, and they are trying to capture, and they are the total scuffle with police here with the ABVP supporters, and police is now taking them and absolutely here you can see police is going, and they are now in a action mode definitely, and are trying to catch the ABVP supporters now. They're trying to catch the ABVP supporters now, and here behind me you can see the police. This was the barricade, then they were trying to push the barricade, break the barricade. Police totally jumped from there, and then there was like a scuffle. They are trying to put them on the other side, and